How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen. This is going to be their 314 BUD floor plan. Of course, we're going to start with our pass-through storage. Now, this is insane. There is a ton of storage for your extra camping supplies, your power cord, things like that. You have your battery disconnect switch in here as well. Taking a step back, you can see that we have a massive awning as well as solid steps underneath our main entry door. Nice big grab handle to the left of that. Looking down, you can see that this camper is dual axle. You have a nice sound system out here by JBL. And then we also have dual entry on the campsite as well. So that's going to lead into a half bath. Moving to the back of this travel trailer, you have an outdoor kitchen with an oversized refrigerator to keep your drinks cold. You also have a sink, little pull-out grill, as well as a little storage for you. At the very back, you're going to find your backup camera prep as well as your Lippert ladder backer. You also have your outdoor shower as well as your 50 amp power cord plug-in and hitch receiver down at the bottom. Moving to the driver's side of this travel trailer, you're going to have your two slide outs. Now, the nice thing about the slide outs being on the driver's side is that it doesn't take away from your campsite, which is really nice. And then we're going to come across the other side of your pass-through storage. At the very front of this travel trailer, we're going to find your battery box, propane tanks, and your power tongue jack. Let's head in on the inside and check it out. Stepping on the inside of this camper to the right of your entry door, you're going to find your water heater controls as well as your JBL sound system and your control panel. And then moving to your kitchen right away, you have a single basin sink, 3-burner cooktop, oven down below, microwave and some storage above all of that. You have your 12-volt oversized refrigerator with some pantry space. And then going through this door here, this is going to be your half bath, which is the second entrance that we saw on the outside. Porcelain toilet, cool LED light mirror with your sink. And then at the very back of this travel trailer, you have your bunk room. So one bunk on the left-hand side with TV backer and some storage. And then on the right side, you have a flip-down bunk with a couch that folds into a bed as well. So you can probably sleep about 4 kiddos back here, which is really cool. As far as dining goes, you do have a U-shaped dinette to give you a little bit of extra leg room in here. It does fold into a bed in case you have some late night stragglers. So does this couch right here. So this camper can sleep a lot of people for sure. As far as entertainment centers go, you have a massive smart TV with a fireplace down below and some storage in between. Going towards the front, you're going to run into your main bathroom. So you have a radius shower, another porcelain toilet with your LED lit up mirror, a couple of shelves with a towel holder, and like I said, your porcelain toilet. And then at the very front, you're going to find your main bedroom. So this is a queen size bed. It is on a VersaTilt to give you some more room in here. You are surrounded by storage, wardrobe storage and outlets, as well as has your own AC unit in here to cool things off. All right, guys, that's going to be your 2025 Wildwood Heritage Glen 314 BUD. Thank you so much. Have a great day. You have your bunk room. So one bunk on the left-hand side with TV backer and some storage. And then on the right side, you have a flip-down bunk with a couch that folds into a bed.